Windows bring in a ton of light, but we decided not to trim them out like we planned because it started to look too traditional and Catherine wanted a modern look. So we've had a lot of fun with it. This place is cool. I like this apartment.
Catherine bought me these.
Why did she buy you those shoes?
She taught me how to dance.
I would love to see what you learned. Okay, a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, shoot. Wait, babe, your shoes.
Babe, I need some music. Can you give me a little something to get going?
Okay, ready?
She taught me this one.
It's like a cheerleader.
Look at this. Watch this. She said something about biting your lips, and then watch the dismount. My back.
Well, those shoes should help your back.
Look at them. Tell the furniture crew that I need them ASAP because we're going to have a dance party.
Yeah. Babe, this place looks amazing. Your shoes, change them. All right. Okay, I'm going to go get them real quick. Hopefully this isn't a long night. I think it's a smaller space. Once we get past the hurdle of getting everything up there, I think everything falls into place. Okay, so the couch gets in 2 pieces. If we can just put it right here, we're gonna L it right here along this window. You know, I think Catherine's loft turned out really cool. I think there's so many unique elements to it. You know, this exposed ceiling with all of the exposed ductwork. I think that's really cool. But then you've got these lighter floors, lighter walls, but then just some really unique elements, whether it be the backsplash or this cool thing that Dustin built for the office. I just feel like it all came together, and I'm excited about putting all the furniture in, finishing touches, and getting this thing done. So can you do me a favor and hold it there and then here? And I'll tell you what height I want it at. Nope. Yes. Right there.
I mean, do you want me to physically put these on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, because it's kind of a one-shot deal.
I know. So that's why I'm going to leave the room, let you do it, and walk in and just... Yeah. Oh, you did it. You know, the bedroom is really pretty. It's really clean and simple, and I love the accent wall. And I think that little shelf that Marvin added adds some practicality while keeping it very modern. I like that black wall, too. This is a cute little quaint nook up here. I think this would be a fun room to wake up in. So tomorrow's the big day, and I'm really excited to show this loft to Catherine. But it's not going to be our typical reveal. We don't have a canvas. We don't have an exterior to show her. There's no landscape. So, Chip.
You know what I'm really excited about? Dance party. 1, 2, and 3, and again, and down.
Be honest. You're right around the corner. Have you not come
Tell me how many times you cheated.
0 times.
What?
That is so good. Let's do this.
Awesome.
Okay.
I have a little bit of a gift for you
Okay.
in particular. I think this will take your day
Can
to
you
the
do
next.
another level?
Yes.
You want me to open this right here? All right, here we go. I love them.
Why do you smell them?
Please.
A little upgrade.
Go for it.
Okay.
Thank you for my new sneaks. I love them. Okay, so I couldn't figure out how to do this apartment thing. We have canvassed your door.
Awesome.
So you remember when you bought this place? 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, a little over 1,200 square feet. You bought the loft for $260,000. Obviously, we had $90,000 to do the reno, so you're all in at $350. I'm telling you, downtown Waco, Texas, with all the things going on, I think you're going to be in a good spot.
Awesome.
All right, you ready to check it out?
Let's do it.
Do the honors.
You need to open the door, girl.
You're
Oh
up.
my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Are you serious?
I bought an engagement ring for a girl I've never met.
Fell in love online.
We're traveling across the world.
Sure, it's about a hoax. You trust me?
I think it's using for a way out.
more than 90 days. Sunday at 8 on TLC and TLC Go. New Food Network Kitchen Inspirations. Introducing the next culinary star. New salad dressings from Food Network Kitchen Inspirations. Creating chef-worthy salads in your kitchen just got a whole lot easier.
So let's see. New, delicious, tempting. Did we leave anything out? Oh boy, did we. Half the sugar and calories. Introducing Simply Light Orange. The best things in life are made simply.
Fact is, every insurance company hopes you drive safely. But Allstate actually helps you drive safely. With DriveWise. It lets you know when you go too fast and brake too hard. With feedback to help you drive safely, giving you the power to actually lower your costs. Unfortunately, you can't do anything about that. Now that you know the truth, are you in good hands?
It's about time the games left and right twix their own packs. They got about as much in common as you a mortician and me an undertaker.
Or you a janitor and me a custodian.
Or you a ghost and me a spirit.
Left and right twist packs. It's time to decide.
Right now at Kohl's, save 25% on Nike, Under Armour, Adidas, and Converse. Save on Nike tees, Under Armour backpacks, Adidas shoes, and Converse sneakers. Plus, get Kohl's Cash. Save 25% on our biggest active brands. Right now, only at Kohl's.
I'm Nathan Woods. I've always loved building furniture. Each piece of wood has its own personality. It's my job to bring it out. That's why I trust Varathane.
Varathane stains and
Bye.
give true color.